the sky. Ruby waves and says hi. Bedtime comes, it's time to rest. A bedtime routine is always best. Pick up toys one by one. Cleaning up is lots of fun. Everything goes in its place. Ruby wears a happy face. Splash, splash in the tub. Wash your hands and gently scrub. Bubble bath is fun to do. Now we're fresh from head to shoe. Brush your teeth so clean and bright, morning and every night. Brush up high and brush down low. Healthy smiles will always glow. Put pajamas nice and snug, warm and cozy like a hug. Soft and comfy, ready now. Ruby smiles and takes a bow. Open up a storybook. Come and take a little look. Fairy tales and dreams so sweet. Reading makes bedtime complete. Take a sip of water too. That's a healthy thing to do. Feeling cozy, calm and bright. Get him ready for the night. Say goodnight to Teddy Bear. Goodnight toys everywhere. Stars are twinkling up above. Nighttime's full of peace and love. Mom and Dad give hugs so tight. Kisses make the night feel right. Family love is always near, filling hearts with joy and cheer. Thank you for this happy day, for our games and time to play. Now it's time to close our eyes, dream beneath the starry skies. Moon shines softly way up high, little clouds go floating by. Close your eyes so peacefully, dreaming happily you'll be. Snuggle underneath the blanket, warm and comfy every minute. Take a deep and sleepy sigh, dreams are waiting by and by. Stars are dancing way above, night is filled with peace and love. Ruby smiles from ear to ear. Tomorrow's fun is getting near. Sleep so well throughout the night. Morning brings the sunshine bright. Healthy sleep helps us grow. Tomorrow's adventures we will know.